Today, I'm going to be showing you how to install Projectivity Launcher on 4K Pro. But you can install this on any device. Just follow the same steps. Okay, but at the home screen, we have to go to Downloader, so you should have it already installed. Go to your apps. There's your app. Click on Downloader. Go to the search bar. Type in this code. Two, 5, 0, 9, 3, 1. Give it a second or so to load. Scroll down. Keep scrolling down. We need to go to the IPTV players. If we scroll down, IPTV player. Okay, here we go. Click down a bit more. Here we go. That's Projectivity Launcher. The first one, 4.68. Click on that. Should start installing. It's installed already. Okay, go to your home screen, go to your apps. It says it's installed, but I don't see it. Okay. Click install. Okay, there you go. Click install. Okay, it should be installed. Let's go to the home screen. Go to all your apps. Go all the way to the end. And there you go. It's Projectivity Launcher is here. Let's open it. Allow. Yes. And there you go. Project already installed on your device. This is just how it looks. But you can change, we can modify and change everything, background, everything. Okay, that's it for installing the Projectivity launcher. Thanks for watching. See you next time. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.